If after a long time of waiting, Monday through Friday, and you ended up having no trade, or sometimes you had only two on the max, or just one setup, and you feel comfortable with it, guys, then you are in the right place. I welcome you specially to our heartfelt Forex Academy. In this community, all we share is a bias. We don't tell you to change your strategies. Just make sure you align it to the bias. Target 50 pips. And the beauty of it is that most of the time I tell you the day of the week to which you get position waiting for that setup of yours. Might be one, might be two. Target 50 pips and you are done for the week. Don't forget, if you're with us last week, we anticipated this move, especially see on DSY, told us about the CRT forming here, right? And already hit our target for the just concluded trading week. And I told you the reason behind it. Okay. On Euro USD, I also explained the scenario behind this area, and price has already hit the a PDRA. And that of GU, you can also see here, we're skeptical about this area, but we said once price take the high, this high inside candle, we might look for a down move. All right, here is intact, here is intact, and price boom drop down. If you had followed us all this while for our swing trade on the quarter, which is about bearish, you can see that we have already moved 300 pips, about 200 pips from from our EU, right, from our EU down to this location, about 200 pips. On GU, about 300 pips. About target 2 and 3 has already been met on those swing trades. So let's hop into the daily time frame and I'll show you what we are to anticipate for this trading. Yes, for this trading week on daily time frame DXY, you can see here, this is the area we marked, which is our target, and price has already hit that location. And what happened here, we are still anticipating price to at least 50% of this volume imbalance. There's a gap down here, right? There's a gap here. So either price will fill it before a little bit dropping. There's also if there's a volume, there's a gap here. There's a gap here, right? These are imbalance. So we're anticipating price to push to the upside and a little bit drop down. So for this trading week, we are anticipating a bearish move on DSY. The heartfelt bias is a bearish move on DSY. Wait for price to take up the high and boom, drop to the downside. A bearish move on DSY. Then on Euro USD, we're anticipating, you can see here, price already here and FVG here. So, and these are also imbalance. So price should take the low drop down, right, into